Hello, welcome to my channel. Is your bedroom missing something special? Introducing our indoor plants, the perfect addition for a cozy and serene atmosphere. Watch as we unveil the secrets to bedroom plant perfection in this video.
Indoor plants can be a wonderful addition to a bedroom as they not only add a touch of natural beauty but also help improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. When choosing plants for your bedroom, consider factors like light conditions, care requirements, and size. Here are some indoor plants ideas that are perfect for bedroom spaces. Snake plants. Snake plants are incredibly easy to care for and thrive in low light conditions. They can help improve air quality by removing toxins from the air. Pothos. Pothos is known for its trailing vines and heart-shaping leaves. It's low maintenance and can tolerate a variety of light conditions. Peace lily. Peace lilies are known for their elegant white flowers and their air purifying qualities. They do well in low to moderate light. Double Z plant. Double Z plants are hardy and can thrive in low light conditions. They have attractive glossy dark green leaves. Spider plant. Spider plants are known for their air purifying properties and easy care. They produce baby spider plants on long. Aloe vera. Aloe vera not only looks great but is also handy for its soothing gel. It prefers bright, indirect light and does not need frequent watering. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant herb that can promote relaxation and better sleep. Place it in a sunny windowsill and enjoy its calming scents. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palms are great for adding a tropical feel to your bedroom. They thrive in indirect light and help purify the air. Succulents. Various succulent varieties like Echeveria are compact and come in a range of shapes and colors. They are easy to care for and thrive in bright light. Rubber plant. Rubber plant have large glossy leaves that add a touch of elegance to your bedroom. They prefer moderate to bright light. Calathea. Calathea varieties such as the Calathea orbifolia or Calathea medallion have striking foliage with beautiful patterns. They require bright indirect light. Ferns. Boston ferns are maiden hair ferns can add a touch of lush greenery to your bedroom. They prefer moderate to bright indirect light. Remember to consider your bedroom's specific light conditions and your ability to care for the plants when choosing the right ones. Also, be mindful of pet friendliness if you have pets, as some plants can be toxic to animals.